Hey guys, what's happening? How to disable Instagram profile picture zoom. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna go ahead to your profile at the bottom right on Instagram. And then what you're gonna do, click edit profile button under the professional dashboard. And then you're gonna see edit picture or avatar highlighted in blue under your profile icon. Go ahead and click. And you're gonna see your profile picture and your avatar, right? You have the option to remove the current picture so no one can zoom in to your picture, or you can just add the avatar by clicking the avatar next to your main profile pic, my profile pic, and you're gonna see add to profile picture button. Just go ahead and turn it on so no one can actually zoom in and see your avatar, right? So make sure that to turn that on. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you, and we will catch you in the next time.